All right. I'm at the shop. Rim plug giveaway number 5, part 2. Rim plug giveaway number 5, part 2. The winner, other than the 1994 GMC 1500, it's one winner, 4 options. One winner, 4 options. These are the options. Now, I also want you to keep in mind, my store is open. If somebody comes in and cashes out for a wheel, you're gonna have to pick another wheel. I can't get the wheel back. So once I sell the wheel, it's off the prize list. So work with me. The 26s, the following 26s are here in stock. I'll give you the info on them. 26 Forgiato, 5-on-5, low offset, 50127. This one's here. This one's included in the giveaway number 5. That's the back wheel. I have all the wheels in stock. I have this other Forgiato, big cap, gold face, chrome lip. This one is dual drilled, 5-on-120, 5-on-127, low offset, old school. This billet, I currently have it in same wheel, 2 different fitments, 5-on-127, Jeep SRT8, and the same wheel, 26-inch, 5-on-127, Dunk, old school. Bubble Caprice, low offset. So that's an option. Boulevard 43, 5-on-120, small GM bolt pattern. Boulevard 43, 5-on-120, small GM bolt pattern, low offset. Billet, full polished 26-inch billet, GS44, 6-lug dual drilled, 6-lug GM. Tahoe Escalade, and 6-lug Trailblazer, 6-on-127. That's another 26 that is included in the giveaway. 26-inch, I believe this is the Comet, GS30. I have this in a 26-inch, 7-inch lip in the rear, 7-inch lip in the rear. So you're gonna have to have a shortened rear end, modifications needed. 26-inch 5-on-5 Ruchi Ganja 5-on-5, 2-piece floating cap, brushed face, matching steering wheel. 26, what other 26 we got going on right here? 26, oh, this is the Ganja, my bad. This is the Ganja. The other one is a Cuervo. I might have said Ganja for this. This is a Cuervo. I'm not editing. I don't edit. I'm not that good at YouTube yet. I'm not that good. My skills are lacking. I'm lacking my skills. So I won't edit. This is the Ganja. Ganja! That's a funny name. Brush face, floating cap, chrome lip. That's included in the giveaway. 26 Forgiato. Brush face chrome lip, 5-on-120, low offset. I will bolt you up as well. I will install your wheels as long as there are no modifications needed. So if you have a box Chevy, yes, they fit 26s, but yes, it needs some modifications. So if it needs modifications, if it's never had a 6 on there before, you're gonna have to have them. You have to have somebody put them on for you. I'll try to put them on, but if you rub, scrub, or anything else, that's on you if you want to drive that home. 26-inch Artist, Bullet, 6-on-127, 6-on-127 Trailblazer SS, and 26-inch Artist Catello. Where's that phone ringing? There it is. Yo, Lou. 1441. Yeah. Yes, sir. All right. 26 Artist Catello. 6 on 127 Trailblazer SS. 26 inch Artist Reno. 5 lug dual drilled. 5 lug dual drilled. 26.9, 26.10. Small bolt pattern Chevy. Big bolt pattern Chevy. See that? Dual drill. 26, that's what I got.